Hello everyone, welcome to Tips and Joy. My name is Ayo and I share interview and career tips as well as Scrum Master tips. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. The third mistake that I see is many people are not focused. They are pursuing different certifications at the same time. This can be quite confusing, stressful, and it is really a slow approach to transition into a new role. Now, if you're trying to become a Scrum Master, one certificate or one other additional skill I would say you should try to learn, like I mentioned earlier, is project management. So you can have the CSM certificate and one of the project management certificates. It might be PMP, it might be the Google Project Management Certificate. It might even be a course just on LinkedIn, something to show that you have that knowledge, and put that in addition to your CSM certificate and highlight that on your resume and be focused. When I mean focused, you're applying 10 jobs a day, you're connecting with people already in that role, you're using the resume of someone in that role. I also have a video that highlights how to become a Scrum Master as soon as possible. I advise that you watch it because I shared a lot of tips in it, and you're focused on it. If it's DevOps you want to do, you're taking all the DevOps certification, you're not mixing it with unrelated certificates. This can be quite confusing. So you have to stay focused for at least 3 to 6 months doing all these things that I've mentioned. And if you see that, okay, maybe this is not really working, then you can step back and then re-strategize. But chasing multiple things will not lead you there faster. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share with your friends and family. Thank you.